Good morning, everybody.
One of the biggest frustrations of teachers today is the removal of creativity and arts from their curriculum maps. Students are expected to test well, and yet some of the very things that would enhance their learning has been removed from the classroom.
Now shake everything.
We think it's very important for our children to be well-rounded and have lots of experiences, and some of our children may not have ever been in a theater.
So I created a workshop that supports a teacher's curriculum, integrating performing arts, and doesn't add a whole new layer of work to an already busy schedule. This workshop is designed so students can experience the core elements of literacy. It's physical and intellectual. We talk about story, and why do we tell stories?
Now you're going to be a writer. So you're not just the actor, now you're going to be a writer.
They seem to do a lot better. They love it. It's fun. They're learning without realizing that they're learning.
I love watching the kids in these exercises.
As you move, let me see sad. Let me see sad in your body. Is there any sad sounds? Now let me see happy all over the grid. Happy, happy.
The grid, physicalizing emotions and improvising. And then we get into the elements of the story through tableaus.
The lights will come up. I'll read the scene again as you're frozen in your tableau, and then I'll say action, and you give the lines.
For me and for my kids, it's the cooperation, the group work. They have to really think about it. I love that they have to come up with a solution.
So when you do these scenes from Cardigan Jones, think about what characters do you really need to display?
Well, we wanted to incorporate like a hands-on approach to becoming better readers. And if they act out the scenes from the stories, it seems as if they really comprehend the story a lot better.
I get excited seeing both boys and girls taking risks. And by day 3, when they come into the room, they are so ready to do the work. Their faces are lit up. It is such a joy to bring this kind of inspired learning to the classroom.
Our teachers try the best that they can to bring in the arts, but they are not professionals like Mitzi is.